Hello, and today we do skincare formula, page 68. We do the new words first. Koje su nove reči ovdje? Soothing mask, umirujuća maska. Sensitive skin, osjetljiva koža. Impregnate, nanositi, unositi. Taut, zategnut, zategnuto. Reduce, reducing, smanjiti. Appearance, izgled. Wrinkles, bora. U drugom pasu su disperse, rasuti. Homogeneous, homogeno. Heating, zagrevanje. Batch, smesa ili sastojke. Cooling, hlađenje. Further, dalje. Stirring, mešati. Okay, so now I will read the text. Skincare formula, how to make a soothing mask for sensitive skin. Components A, B, C, D. This fluid and stable emulsion is impregnated on special tissues to create a facial mask which helps make the skin more elastic, taut, and soft. It helps skin stay younger looking longer by reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Procedure. In a tank or mixing bowl, heat A to 80 degrees Celsius. Disperse B into A and mix until homogeneous. Stop heating and introduce C into the batch. Homogenize for 2 minutes. Add D and continue homogenization for 3 minutes more. Reduce the mixing speed and begin cooling. At 60 degrees Celsius, stop mixing and cool further to 30 degrees Celsius while stirring. Okay, let's have a look here. Match the words with the explanations. The words are formula, disperse, reduce, stir, and taut. All right, formula is recipe. Disperse, scatter. Reduce, make something smaller in size, number, degree. Stir, to mix substances with a spoon in a circular pattern. Taut, firm or stretched tight. All right, and at the end we have reading comprehension questions. Imamo par pitanja. What is saturated with the emulsion and why? And what are the properties of the mask? Okay, well, that's all for now. Goodbye.